Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes.
Today we will start exercise 16.1. In exercise 16.1, question number 1 is find the perimeter of the figure. Class, this is the figure which is given to us and we have to find out the perimeter. What is perimeter? In my introduction class, I have explained you that perimeter we can calculate with the help of one formula, that is sum of the lengths of its all sides. It means we have to add all these length of the sides. Clear everyone? So let's add it. AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus FE plus FG plus GH plus HA. In this way we will add all the lengths of its sides. All sides are 4 centimeter only, so we will add them. AB 4 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, CD 4 centimeter, DE 4 centimeter, FE 4 centimeter, FG 4 centimeter, GH 4 centimeter and HA 4 centimeter. Now we will add all. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 4 24, 24 plus 4 28, 28 plus 4 32. It means the perimeter of this figure is 32 centimeter. Now let's start question number 2. Question number 2 is two sides of triangle are 21 centimeter and 32 centimeter. The perimeter of triangle is 85 centimeter. We are required to find out the third side. Students, when in the question perimeter of triangle is given to us, then we are required to use the formula of perimeter only. Right? So, what is the perimeter of a triangle? The general formula to find out the perimeter of a triangle is sum of the lengths of its all sides. Now, we will put the value of perimeter, that is 85 centimeter. And its sides are AB plus AC and plus BC. Yes students, in the question AB and AC value is already given. So we will put the value below that. 21 centimeter. AC is given as 32 centimeter. But students, BC is not given to us. So we will write BC as BC only. And 85 centimeter as it is. Clear? Now we will add the values of the sides which are given to us. 21 centimeter plus 32 centimeter will be 53 centimeter. Now, remember students, if any value is there in plus, when we will shift them on another side, it will be converted into minus. So we will subtract it from 85. The answer will be 32 centimeter. Hence, our third side value is 32 centimeter. Now, next important question is find the cost of fencing. What do you mean by this word fencing here? Fencing means students use of wire at the boundary of the plot or the field to protect from the animals. So in this question we have to find out the cost of fencing a square piece of plot. They have told us, the question is telling that the plot shape is in the shape of square. So as we have to find out the cost of fencing, so it is clear, student, that we have to find out the perimeter. Why? Because fencing means the use of wire at the boundary. When we are talking about the boundary, it means we have to find out the perimeter. So we will find out the perimeter of this square piece of plot. So perimeter of square is, students, general formula of perimeter of square is 4 multiply side, 4 multiply side, and side value of this square piece of plot is already given to us in the question, that is 145 meter. So we will put the value of side, that is 145 centimeter, meter, right? So now we will do the calculation to find out the exact perimeter, that will be 580 meter. In the question, students, they have given to us the cost of fencing 1 meter per means 1 meter square piece of plot, that is rupees 22. 1 meter cost is given to us and we have to find out 580 meter cost. Students, when we are moving from 1 to the higher value, it means we have to multiply. That means we have to multiply. So let's do the multiplication. 580 multiply 22. After doing multiplication, the answer will be rupees 12,760. It means the cost of fencing a square piece of plot of side 145 meter is rupees 12,760. Our next question is, Sonam takes a round of a square park of 30 centimeter. So class, I have considered as A, B, C, D is my square park and the side of that square park is 30 meter. Students, remember one thing, when we are talking about the square is that closed figure in which all sides are equal to each other. If one side is given by the question, it means BC will also be 30 meter, AB will also be 30 meter and AD value will also be 30 meter. Now, next is Mehak takes a round of rectangular park of length 35 meter and 20 meter. Students, one Mehak girl is there. She is moving around the rectangular park and the length is given of the park is 35 meter and breadth is 20 meter. Students, rectangle is that closed figure in which opposite sides are equal to each other. Question is saying that Sonam is moving around the square park and Mehak is moving around the rectangular park. So students, we will find out the perimeter of the figures because they will move around on the boundary of the square and rectangle. They will not move in the center of the figure. Clear, everyone? And when we are talking about the boundary, it means we have to find out the perimeter. So first of all, we will calculate the area covered by the Sonam. And so we can say that the perimeter of the square is 4 multiply side. Now we will put the value. Side value is 30 meter. Answer will be 120 meter. It means area covered by Sonam is 120 meter. Now we will find out how much area is covered by the Mehak. So area covered by Mehak Now students, what is the perimeter of rectangle? that is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Now we will put the values of length and breadth. Length of the rectangular shape park is 35 meter and breadth is given to us 20 meter. Now according to the BODMAS rule, we will first solve the bracket. 35 plus 20 is 55 meter. Now we can multiply them. 55 twos will be 110 meter. It means area covered by the Mehak is 110 meter. Now the question is asking from us that who covers more distance and by how much? Yes students, we can recognize easily that Sonam covered more distance. Why? Because she covered 120 meter and Mehak covered 110. So the area covered by the Sonam is more as compared to the Mehak. One more question. Now question is saying how much area is more covered by the Sonam. So when student how much is asked, it means we have to subtract. It means we have to subtract, right? Now we will calculate more area covered by Sonam, that is 120 meter minus 110 meter, that is 10 meter. Hence, more area is covered by Sonam, that is 10 meter.